So, uh, hello students, welcome you all to the doubt clearance sessions of Brainiacs classes. So, the first question that we are going to discuss here is, I hope you could see the question. Calculate the amount of water produced by the combustion of 16 gram of methane. Okay, so I have written the equation here. So methane means CH4 with combustion means that happens in the presence of oxygen. So CH4 plus O2, we know that any hydrocarbon containing carbon and hydrogen on complete combustion will become carbon dioxide and water. And you could see here it is becoming carbon dioxide and water, and on balancing it becomes 2 moles of oxygen and this becomes 2 moles of water. Okay, now how to solve this question, we will see that. Now what they are asking you to calculate the amount of water, correct? So first we will write the stoichiometric equation, stoichiometric ratio. So what is the stoichiometric ratio here? So if you see, the stoichiometric ratio is, I can say that becomes 1:2:1:2. Correct. How will we write stoichiometric ratio? Basically, you know that from a balanced chemical equation we used to write stoichiometric ratio. Here 1 comes from methane, okay, 2 comes from oxygen, 1 comes from carbon dioxide and 2 comes from water. Now as per stoichiometric equation, we know that 1 mole of methane, okay, 1 mole of methane gives how much amount of water? 2 mole of water. So we will write that. So 1 mole methane can give what? Actually 2 mole of water. Okay, but in question they have given methane in the form of mass actually. So I know 1 mole of methane. What is the mass of 1 mole of methane? We know that 1 mole, so it is molar mass. So carbon 12, hydrogen 4. So 12 plus 4, 16. So I can say 16 gram. Okay, so 16 gram CH4, okay, gives what? Actually 2 mole of water. So 2 mole means 1 mole of water has a mass of H2O, that is 2 into 1 plus 16, 18. So 2 into 18. So I can say it will give 2 into 18 gram water. So in question also they have asked you 16 gram of methane is giving how many gram of water. So my answer is, what is my final answer then? My final answer is 36 gram water. So the method here we need to follow is, first make the equation balanced, then write the stoichiometric ratio, then based on the stoichiometric ratio try to link which and all things needs to be compared. Here methane and water. So from that I write 1 mole of methane gives 2 mole of water. Then what I have done, 1 mole of methane is fortunately 16 grams. Sometimes they may asking 32 gram of methane. Then what you need to do, I know that 16 gram of methane gives 36 gram of water. To convert this to 32 gram of methane, I should multiply by 2 on both sides. Okay, so I hope students you understood how to handle this question. We will deal with next question. Okay, thank you.